Lily loved to draw. She drew pictures for her mom and dad, for her little brother Max, even for their pet hamster, Hammy. One day, while looking for some colored pencils, Lily opened her art box. And inside was something new, a marker that looked like it had invisible ink. Curious, she pulled it out and shook it. Then she started drawing all over the walls. She made little marks, little lines, even little flowers. She drew and she drew and she drew, thinking no one would ever see what she'd done. But the next morning, sunlight streamed in through the window, and there, right on the wall, Lily saw the ghostly outlines of her drawings from the night before. She tried to be sneaky and cover them up with pictures of smiling suns and clouds. But every time she turned her back, more of the invisible ink appeared. It was like magic. Then Lily's mom walked in and gasped. "Who's been leaving these ghostly doodles all over the house?" she asked. Everyone looked at Max, who was sucking his thumb and rocking in the corner. He couldn't speak yet, so he couldn't have done it. But then Lily noticed her invisible ink marker under the table. She wanted to tell her mom the truth, but she was scared. What if her mom got mad about the marker or the drawings? So Lily just shook her head. As the days passed, more and more drawings appeared. Soon the whole house looked like a haunted mansion. Lily felt bad. She knew she should tell her mom what was happening, but she was too scared. She tried covering up the drawings with posters and furniture, but they just ended up making things worse. Then one afternoon, Lily was drawing a picture for her hamster, Hammy, when a gust of wind suddenly blew through the room. It knocked over her art box, sending the invisible ink marker flying across the floor. And in a flash, every single wall in the house was covered with ghostly drawings. Lily panicked. She didn't know what to do. Should she tell her mom? What would she say? As tears streamed down her face, she heard a knock on the door. It was her mom. "Lily," she said, "I know you've been hiding something." Lily took a deep breath and told her mom everything. She showed her the invisible ink marker and all the drawings on the walls. "I'm sorry," Lily said. "I didn't mean to hide it from you." Her mom gave her a big hug. "It's okay, honey," she said. "Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and tell the truth." And that's what Lily did. With her mom's help, she erased the invisible ink drawings one by one, and she never used the invisible ink marker again. Every day after that, Lily and her mom would go on adventures to find new art supplies. And every night before bed, Lily would tell her mom all about her day, and her mom listened. Always.